Menteri Rangba ke jela Conrad sangma nek sngiu la pentip bakat prangut ki men simbriu ke la duno ela ke jong ke jingim na ke jingbthei ha ka par dewiong ke bala pentri be an ha ka Thangsko East Jingbthei Hills District ulai thoro ba wei na kini kinong bala ula men saujur bat ya ula petkit no marmar Shayalong Civil Hospital ban aya ke jing sumar Nagaliang Menteri Rangba Aulong ba nagaliang ke sorkar kenam ailat satia ya kum kini kijing dia bakin yai dia bat wala btharu ya ki bor pulit bakin le ya kebedon kam bat ban pensitom ya kitu kebedon kti habai dei bat kini kijing ti dewiong beai Shushu kerat sama ulai thu ba ketai ke jaka kabalajia ke cengai kumba arpsan kilometer na klirian bat kasimpor kumba laikenta banyat namar jong kijing sniu jong ka surak bat ki kali ki bala banyai dru ke dei tang ki four wheel lai nang ta ki wei ki kali kinamla banyai sha kani ka jaka shu ilai thoro ba ka kanhun menteri kala bthah yu ba wailat miki shila bat ba lakman ramboi ban le khiar sha kani ka jaka bat kini ki arngut ki menteri sarkar la shai ka sngi kin le sha kani ka jaka ban ti bnya ha be dei bat kani ka jingjia
all everyone that today we had a very tragic incident that took place in East Jingbthei Hills where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in ngut, Thangsko area in East Jingbthei Hills. This happened today at around 11 a.m. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Yalong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnels from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. It takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakman Rambui and Mr. Wailat Mikishila, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You are aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open and they should not I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life. We are waiting for further report that comes in, and based on that, I will be in regular touch with the press. I will regularly inform you. I will update you about the information myself. But this is the information that we have as of now. So I thought I will share that with you. Took place, who was responsible for that, and what was it related to? We're not aware about this, the real details and the facts. So we have to find all those things out. Every department will have to go into all details of what's happening, and at the deputy commissioner level also there will be inquiry, the police level also there will be an inquiry. So all the related departments, all the related activities that are taking place, each and every aspect will be looked into. And as I said, and all those who are responsible for this, very firm action will be taken in this case.
These 18 laborers who died in this accident, are they from Meghalaya or from other state, and could you identify them?
I have not got the reports yet, so I will not be able to go into it, but I can only say this much, that majority, again I'm using the word it seems because I've only received it on WhatsApp. I think it's not proper for me to say it without getting a confirmed official note. But it seems that most of the laborers, or a majority, are from outside, but there are some local laborers also. I can only give you what has been confirmed, that 18 bodies have been found. Yes, they are doing that. I don't have the details with me right now, but the police is right there. The IG is right there for Eastern Range, and all the details are being done. Once I get the report, whatever time in the night it is, I assure you that I'll send all the details to the press. So, doing this scientific, but satellites cannot give the activity or the in detail. So based on whatever images we get, we do move, we do find out, and that's how we've been able to catch a large number of people. That's how we find the things. But as I said, because the spread is all over the district and all over the state in different parts, it is not always easy. Even with this information, because we have obviously satellite images, we have drones, all of these are being used. But as I said, multiple activities take place, multiple areas are there, and many people in the past, as I said, have been arrested, and cases have been filed, convicted, and illegal minings have been stopped. So therefore, it's not that nothing is happening, but there are these kind of incidents which sometimes, as I said, because the scale is so large and the area is so large, that we could not reach this particular one.
Sir, 22,000 mine openings according to Kataki report are there in